Audio Cleaning Lab 4 is a comprehensive audio editing software designed to clean, restore, and enhance audio recordings. Whether you're a home user aiming to digitize old vinyl records or a professional working on video soundtracks, this software offers the necessary tools to achieve professional quality results. Intuitive interface and powerful features. The software boasts a user-friendly interface that simplifies audio editing. With a wide range of wizards, presets, and one-click solutions, users can quickly remove noise, optimize sound quality, and achieve desired outcomes. New features in version 4 include modern EQ, an enhanced equalizer for precise audio sculpting, and an improved plugin browser for efficient effect management. Site Turn Search 4, Advanced Cleaning and Restoration Tools. SoundForge Audio Cleaning Lab 4 provides specialized tools to eliminate common noises such as pops, clicks, crackles, hum, and other unwanted sounds. The spectral editing feature allows for precise noise identification and removal by visualizing different frequencies within the audio. Additionally, the auto cleaning function analyzes audio and suggests optimal cleaning settings, while manual controls offer fine-tuning capabilities. Cite, search, search. Digitization and recording capabilities. The software facilitates the transfer of analog media to digital formats, enabling users to preserve and edit their collections. It supports high-quality recording at up to 96 kHz 24-bit resolution, making it suitable for various audio projects. Users can import audio from CDs, video files, and other sources with ease. Cite, search, learn, search. 4. Efficient workflow enhancements. SoundForge Audio Cleaning Lab 4 enhances workflow efficiency through over 360 one-click presets for various cleaning and sound enhancement tasks. The built-in info box provides valuable tips and tricks for all program functions, and the intuitive search function allows users to quickly find project templates, help articles, tools, and effects. Cite Turn Search. Integration with professional tools. The software integrates with professional tools such as iZotope RX10 Elements and iZotope Ozone 9 Elements, offering advanced features for noise removal and audio enhancement. The ARA2 interface extension allows for seamless integration with ARA2 compatible plugins, expanding creative possibilities. 4.